Yes, now here addition of two digit numbers. So how to add two digit numbers? Here blocks, using blocks we are going to discuss how to add. So when two digit numbers are given, so using these blocks, here this is one added and this is also added, this is added and this is added, the both were added and this is the sum, means total. So two addends were there. Then what is the answer when two addends were there? So addition, whenever addition is there, so we have to represent with plus sign. Plus, this is nothing but plus. Plus means added. So we are going to add this one and this one. So whatever we are going to add, they are called added. This one is added and this one is also added. And the answer is this. So this is nothing but sum. We call it as sum or otherwise total. Sum of total. So whatever is there. Here see. Here blocks. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 complete blocks are there. And one incomplete block is there. Complete block. One complete block. In one complete block, total how many shells were there? 10 shells were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one block, total 10 shells were there. Then in this also 10, in this also 10, in this also 10. Total 10 plus 10. 20, 20 plus 10. 30, 30 plus 10. 40. Here total complete 4 blocks, 4 tens are 40. 40 blocks. Then 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. First added is 45. First added 45 and second added, in second added 1, 2, 3, 4. What is our second added? That is incomplete block. So that is 4. So then 45 and 4. When we are going to add 45 and 4, then how much it is? Here again. So when we are going to see here 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete 4 blocks were there and these incomplete blocks we are going to add. So we keep this block to on this block. So then we form this block. Here total incomplete blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this block we have to keep on this block. Then we get total 9. Total 9. Now this is 10, this is 10, this is 10, this is 10. This 4 complete block as it is and these 2 incomplete blocks, one block keep on other block. So then we get 9 total. Then 40, this complete 4 is nothing but 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. The answer is 49. This is our sum. This is our first addend. This is our first addend. This is our second addend. This is our sum. This is our sum. In first addend total 49 blocks are there. In second 5. If we are going to add 45 and 4, the final answer is 49. If we are going to add 2 addends, that is 45 and 4, the sum is 49. This is our answer. Yes students, here just now we discussed the same similar question. So using blocks how to add, and here so this is the first one, first group, this is second group and this is the answer. So these two are called addends. This is first one is also added, the second one is also added. This is the result. This is the result means this is the sum or total. So then here how many blocks were there in first addend? First you check 1 and 2. 2 complete blocks were there. In one block total how many shells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the similar way second also. Then 10 plus 10, 20. 20 and this 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. The total here first added is 25. plus second addend. Only one complete block is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total is 10. Here. This is first addend and second addend. First addend is 25 and second addend is 10. Then here is equal to means answer, our answer. Then here how many complete blocks were there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 10 plus 10. 20. 20 plus 10. 30. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. This is our answer. This is our sum. This is the first addend. First addend is 25 and second addend 10. If you are going to add 25 and 10, the answer, that is sum. Sum is 35. So like this, if the blocks were given, first we calculate how many blocks were there in first addend and second addend. First addend, second addend. Then after that we count in the sum. Then how many are there? Then write your answer, that is sum. Then after adding two addends, this is the sum. Yes, now students, here our next topic is regrouping of numbers. Regrouping of numbers. How to make regroup numbers. So here see. Here tens place one block is there. In complete one block 10. So 10 small blocks were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is our tens digit. In tens digit 10 is there. In ones place, see here in ones place what is there? Here two small blocks were there. Two small blocks. So in that how many blocks were there? Sub blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this 6 sub blocks were there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 sub blocks were there. This is in this blocks 6 sub blocks were there. Here in this 6 sub blocks were there. In complete in tens 110 is there. 110 means in complete one big block 10 sub blocks were there. Then so how to regroup? So this tens blocks one block is there in tens place. This complete one block is as it is. We keep this block as it is. No change, nothing. In this two in ones place 1 6 is there, 1 6 is there. Total 2 6s were there. If we are going to add 2 6, then what it happened? So add these two. 6 and 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The total is 12. 12 blocks. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In these 12 sub-blocks, so then take these two sub-blocks and make one 10 block. How it is? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, this is 10. Till here. Again you make one 10 block, 10 big block. Keep these 4 blocks here and keep on this. And this complete block make one 10 block. Then you get one more 10 block here. And more 2 blocks were left. The 2 blocks you keep here. The 2 blocks you keep here. So now here this is already there. Then one more 10 block we prepare. How? So by adding these two. By adding ones place. In ones place we have 2 blocks. Total 6 and 6. 6 and 6 it makes 12. Yes, now these 6 blocks and 6 blocks. These 12 blocks. These are the 12 blocks. In these 12 blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 blocks we make one more block in tens. And these 2 blocks we are taking down. These 2 blocks here we left. What we left here 2 blocks. So that we took here. So then these 10 blocks becomes here and these 2 blocks, whatever 2 blocks that we keep here. And now here how it forms? Then these 2 blocks as it is and these 2 blocks here. Now total how much? This is 10 and this is 10. 20, 20 and this is 2. 22. Total 22. So here This is here we have 10 subblocks. Here 6 and 6 subblocks. 6 and 6 subblocks. And what here we get? So this subblocks we make one complete tens block. So that's why we get here 10 and 10. 20 and here 2 left. So then what it happens? Here 10, here 10, 20 and here 2. Total 22. We are preparing like this. Means whenever in one's place, if more than 10 subblocks were there, then we have to make one big block, that 10 block, and we prepare like this. And how many blocks left after preparing a big block? So that blocks we keep here. This is the procedure to rearranging the numbers. Yes friends, so before we discuss how to regroup, so the second question, one more question we are going to discuss, then how to regroup. Here once check here, this is our ones place, this is our tens place. In our ones place total how many blocks are given? 1, 2, 3. So 3 blocks were given in this tens place. In ones place how many blocks were there? Small blocks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 blocks were there, small blocks. Here we have 12 blocks. Here we have 3 big blocks. Then 3 big blocks is equal to 30. 1, 2, 3. In each block we have 10 sub blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In each block we have 10 sub blocks, small blocks. So then 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Total 3 blocks. 3 blocks, 30 sub blocks. Here, how many small blocks were there in one's place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then how to regroup this? So here, total 10 blocks make one big block like this. Total 10 blocks. How many blocks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total here 10 sub blocks were there. In this here regrouping, how we are going to regroup? Here 3 blocks were there. That 3 blocks as it is. First block, second block and third block. These 3 blocks as it is. And these 10 sub blocks make a big block. 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is one more extra block. This is 4th block. This is 4th block. How we got this 4th block? After rearranging these 10 sub blocks, means small blocks, into a big block, so it becomes a big block. So total 10 sub blocks. So this comes in tens place. Why? Because here 10 sub blocks were there, so that is why that comes in tens place. Then after that, what about these 2 blocks? These 2 blocks left in the same ones place only. So here 2 small blocks in ones place. After going 10 blocks into tens place, 10 blocks, small blocks, and making a big block into tens place. So we left 2 blocks in ones place, that is as it is. Then now you add how? Total, what is the total? What is the sum? So this is the addend, this is also addend. Addend, the second addend in ones place, the second addend is total 12 sub blocks were there. So that we regrouping and that converts into tens block. So after regrouping these 10 blocks into tens place, then we are getting here 2 ones. So now if we add 10, 10, 10, 10, that is 40. Why? Because here we get 40. Total 4 blocks were there. In 4 blocks we have 40 sub blocks, and plus here 2 blocks, small blocks in one's place. 40 and 2, forward counting. 40, after that we have to count to 41, 42. Starts from here, 40 is there. Don't count again 40. Starts from 41. 41 and 42. That is total how much? 42 blocks. 42 blocks were there. So the total overall 42 blocks were there, but our concept is how to regroup, how to convert ones into tens places. If in ones place more than 10 blocks were there, that we have to convert into tens block. So this is the regrouping. So whenever in ones place more than 10 blocks were given, we have to convert the 10 blocks into tens place. So taking like this. This is the procedure to rearranging, regrouping. So this is the concept. Yes, now students, regrouping numbers. Then how to regroup the pictures into tens place and in ones place. So here total how many candles we have to count first. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 candles. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 and 36. Total 36 candles were given. These 36 candles we have to regroup, means we have to keep in tens place and also in ones place. Then how to regroup? Here. So first of all, so this is one row, this is second row and this is third row. Total 3 rows were there. In the 3 rows, in each row we will get 10 candles each. Here 36 candles were there. Total 36 candles. First we have to arrange 10 candles in first row, 10 candles in second row, 10 candles in third row. Total 30 candles over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Total 30 candles over after arranging these in 3 rows. Then total 36 candles we have. The remaining 6 candles that will get in ones place. Why? Because in ones place we have single digit. In ones place single digit number we have. So 6 candles will come in ones place. That we have to keep in ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 36. These 36 candles we have to arrange like this in tens place and in ones place. Then what about this 3 tens? 3 tens plus 6 ones. 3 tens plus 6 ones. 3 tens means how it is? This is 1 10, 1 10 plus 1 more 10 plus 1 more 10. 3 tens means 110 plus 110 plus 110. Total 1, 2, 3. So like this 110 plus 110 plus 110. And after that plus 6 ones. 6 ones. 110 is nothing but 10 plus 110 is nothing but 10 plus 110 is nothing but 10 and plus 6. 10 plus 10. 20 plus 10. 30 plus 6. That is 36. In this way we have to arrange. So whatever candles were given, first we have to complete tens places. How many tens we are going to make? First we make that many tens. After how much is left in a single digit, that we have to keep, that we have to draw in ones place. In ones place. Then after that, once you check out 6 10, 3 tens. 3 tens. 3 tens plus 6 ones. 3 tens is nothing but how many rows we are getting here? 1 row, 2 row and 3 row. That means 110 plus 110 plus 110. Total 10 plus 10 plus 10. That is 30. 30 plus 6, 36. In this order we have to arrange whatever the pictures. Either it is a candle, either it is a ball, either it is an apple, whatever it is. First we have to arrange the given pictures into tens and ones. Tens group we make tens group, and in ones we make a single digit number, so that is why. So tens complete 10, one group, 10, one group, 10, one group. How many tens we are going to make? That many tens we have to keep in tens place, and left we keep in ones place. Then after that, once you check out, 3 tens plus 6 ones. 3 tens is nothing but 30, and 6 ones is 6 only. 6 ones are 6. Then 30 plus 6 is equal to 36. This is equal to our number of pictures. Then this is the arrangement, how to arrange in tens place and how to arrange in ones place.